Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Karim. We are very happy to see you again. Thank you for joining us for another exciting English lesson. If you're new to this channel, our goal is to help you speak English confidently through easy, natural, and interesting conversations. Every lesson is designed especially for beginners, so don't worry if you're just starting your English journey.
Hello, everyone. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. The secret is simple. Listen carefully, practice every day, and never give up. Even if you learn only a few new words or sentences today, you are making progress. Remember, every fluent English speaker started as a beginner.
Today's topic is one of the most useful topics in everyday English. We are going to learn how to talk about our daily routine. This is something people talk about all the time. You might hear questions like, "What time do you wake up?" or "What do you usually do after work?" After today's lesson, you'll know exactly how to answer these questions in English.
We'll learn how to describe our day from the moment we wake up in the morning until we go to bed at night. You'll hear useful vocabulary, simple grammar, and common expressions that you can use in real conversations with friends, teachers, classmates, or colleagues.
Don't try to memorize everything at once. Instead, listen to the conversation, repeat every sentence after us, and practice speaking out loud. If you watch this lesson several times, you'll remember the vocabulary much faster.
A good daily routine isn't only important for your health, it's also important for learning English. Spending just 15 or 20 minutes every day listening, speaking, reading, or learning new words can make a huge difference after a few months.
Imagine meeting someone from another country. One of the first questions they may ask is, "What's your daily routine?" After today's lesson, you'll be able to answer confidently using easy English sentences.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Every week, we'll help you become more confident in English.
Are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy learning English with us. Let's start today's conversation. Good morning, Sarah. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
Good morning, Karim. I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm great. Today, we're talking about our daily routines. I think this is a very useful topic because everyone has a daily routine and we often talk about it in English.
Exactly. Whether you're talking to a friend, a teacher, or a colleague, people often ask, "What do you usually do every day?" So let's share our routines.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 every morning. I like waking up early because it gives me enough time to prepare for the day. I always feel more active when I wake up early.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I wake up before the alarm, but most days my alarm helps me get out of bed on time.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I make my bed because I like my room to be clean. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, and get dressed. After that, I prepare breakfast.
That's a good routine. I also make my bed every morning. It helps me start the day in a good mood.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, cheese, eggs, and sometimes fruit. I also drink tea or coffee.
Breakfast is my favorite meal. It gives me energy for the whole morning.
Interesting. After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I leave my house at around 8 o'clock and go to work. I teach English, so I spend the morning helping my students improve their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills.
That sounds like a wonderful job. I go to work too, and I always try to finish my tasks by the end of the day.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Every day I learn something new. I also try to improve my English after work because it's important for my future.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at about 1 o'clock. I like eating chicken, rice, vegetables, or fish. Sometimes I eat with my friends.
I usually have a healthy lunch too. Eating healthy food helps me stay active throughout the day.
What do you do after work?
When I get home, I relax for a while. Then I read a book, answer my emails, prepare lessons for the next day, and sometimes watch English videos to learn new teaching ideas.
I usually study English, learn new vocabulary, practice pronunciation, and listen to English podcasts. I believe practicing every day is the best way to improve.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I enjoy playing football with my friends. Sometimes I also go for a walk in the evening. Exercise keeps my body healthy and makes me feel relaxed.
I completely agree. A healthy body helps us have a healthy mind.
What do you usually do before going to bed?
I have dinner with my family, spend some time talking with them, read a few pages of a book, and then I go to bed at around 10 o'clock. I try to sleep early because I want to wake up feeling fresh.
I also like going to bed early. Sleeping well helps me stay focused and gives me more energy for the next day.
Everyone's daily routine is different, but having good habits like eating healthy food, exercising, studying, and sleeping enough can make our lives much better.
And don't forget to make English part of your daily routine. Even 15 minutes of practice every day can help you become more confident.
Small daily steps lead to big success. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up.
Exactly. Consistency is the key to learning English successfully. Excellent work, everyone. Today, we learned how to talk about our daily routine in English using simple and useful sentences. These are expressions that English speakers use every day, so practicing them will help you become more confident when speaking English.
That's right. Remember, learning English is not about studying for many hours in one day. It's about practicing a little every day. Even if you spend only 15 or 20 minutes listening, speaking, reading, or learning new vocabulary, you will improve over time.
Now we have a small challenge for you. Try to describe your daily routine in English. Tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you do after work or school? What time do you go to bed?
Write your answers in the comments below. We will be happy to read your comments and help you improve your English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Share this lesson with your friends and family who are learning English. The more you practice together, the faster you'll improve.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. Keep practicing English every day, stay motivated, and never stop believing in yourself. See you in the next episode of English with Karim. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.